Yes, the exercise is not complete. We have a couple of more rounds, but exclusively today, this blast kind of exercise that we have now. What are you learning about it?
I learned how I
You can speak. Video pause பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறமா
இங்கேருந்து எனக்கு லைட் கிடைக்கும்
இல்லை சார் கொஞ்சம் நீங்கள் டிம்மாக தான் சார்
இப்போ
இல்லை சார்
ஆப்போசிட் லைட் தான் அப்போ சொன்ன மாதிரி நீ எடுத்துகிட்டு மறுபடியும் So Shivan, tell me, what do you learn exclusively here? Everybody think about this question. This is a common question for everybody. Why should the trainer administer in a way that you have to stack up those 3 cups, and why should the trainer distract you very, very miserably being on the top? Although the ball might hit, Mitra got hit on her neck, Hariharan got hit on his arm, Sanjay Rehan got hit on his head. So why such a block has to be implemented, and what is the learning out of this towards school life, college life and personal life? Shivan.
sir if the cups are the studies, sir, if anyone is trying to
Distracting,
sir,
okay.
we have to protect it, and we have to defend ourselves.
Fantastic. Nice catch. Maybe Vishwa, your answer for this question?
Sir, to achieve our goal, there will be many distractions to achieve our goal, sir. So we have to face that, and we have to try to achieve our goal.
Wow, very good. Nice improvement. Dhyanesh, your view. Shivan related it to studies, Vishwa related it to goals. How about you?
So the goals, and we should believe in our teammates, and we should be calm in whichever situation.
Fantastic. Nice answer. Samyukta, what gave the success for the 2 teams? Hariharan very smartly did one thing as a leader. He believed in 2 junior section people, and you believed in your own friendship, and you did really well. So both teams have got their own competitive edge. What is actually the formula for winning in this particular?
sir believing in others and in our team, and this one, that is the one thing. And about the teamwork, sir. So whatever problems came also, we stood strongly, sir.
Fantastic. That's right. So belief in the team and belief on the others. Kavin Raj, in your team, Dhyanesh was blocking, you were also blocking, and this blocking and relieving the obstacles, what do you compare that with? What is actually in your mind?
Sir, we should the cups it's goals, sir. Then others will give distractions as balls, sir. We should defend it, sir, and we will get loose of it, sir. But we should again build it, and we should go still in, sir.
Fantastic. Nice answer. Good job. I'll come back to you, Rahul. Sanjay Rehan, the throwing the ball into the thing and reaching it, and this entire exercise's name is goal setting workshop, and a couple of your friends mentioned about goals. What is your mind making out of it? The ball shooting activity and the cup reaching activity.
Sir, for the ball activity, we should not turn from our goal. We want to be in a straight path, and we want to strategize our mind in the second exercise, sir.
Beautiful.
Always doing a smart work and team coordination, sir.
Correct.
I believe in our team and myself.
Excellent answer. How do you relate it to working in an office in both these activities? You are going to be a corporate person, you are going to join a company, and how do you relate this, or how do you connect this with such an occupation?
Sir, from the first activity, there are so many balls, sir. We have always so many dreams. By putting that into basket, we want to achieve it, sir. Only
Dreams.
Yes, sir.
That's a very, very key word. Okay.
Sir, you said you want to. The whole world is that bucket, sir. You said yesterday. Sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir. I don't imagine, sir. The whole world is the dream is meant bucket, sir. Side. Imagine like this, yes, sir. In the second activity, we all have goals, sir. We are initially that point we will have goals, and we will come to the destination. We have so many problems, so many barriers to cross, sir. So we want to protect our goals at in every situation. No matter you want to give up on our goals.
Fantastic. That's a nice answer.
Thank you, sir.
Good job. I really appreciate you. 20 points bonus for Rahul, for your team, for participating without any ego. I've seen a lot of ego-driven horses in MS evening sessions, but this man does not have an ego and he is enjoying the exercise. That's what is your biggest good attitude. Keep it up. Yeah. Ravan, your learning, you did a great job. Along with Nitin, you did a great job. 20 marks for Pravan and 20 marks for Nitin. I'll come to your team's bonus. ஏன்னா அந்தந்த டைமில் தோன்றப்போ கொடுத்துட்றேன். Nitin and Pravan's twin advantage. Hariharan believed in both of you. I believed in both of you. Your team believed in both of you. You learnt anything from this, Pravan, in this ball activity and this cup activity? What did you learn?
Sir, in this ball activity, I learned concentration, sir.
Correct. Which part was improving your concentration? Concentrating on the bucket or throwing the ball or using your limbs action to reach the ball? Which improved you? Limbs action. You are good at it. You are really good at it. And do you have any learning in this cups activity like Sanjay Ray and Rahul mentioned? No. இது லேர்ன் பண்ணலையா இல்லை உனக்கு எதுவும் தோணலன்றியா? தோணல. ஓகே, பரவாயில்ல இப்படி தான் ஸ்லோலி யூ ஆர் இம்ப்ரூவிங். மித்ரா, one biggest advantage and one real inspiring thing that you observed in Hariharan's team exclusively in this cup game, this cup reaching?
Sir, the first thing is we completed stacking up the 3 stacks only by around we took 1 minute 20 seconds for stacking up 2 cups, sir. But they completed stacking all the 3 cups and they started traveling by around 40 seconds.
Yes.
Sir. So they were a little fast, sir. And also the biggest thing that I would appreciate is they believed in their
junior
younger
section
part, sir. Because in our team, Dhyanesh was the only person who said that let's send both Sai, Saran and Kavin, sir. As they have a height advantage and also as they are younger, we being seniors would be able to, because of our height advantage, we will be able to defend the ball, sir.
And actually speaking, Hariharan's team's thinking is really smart because Dhyanesh is also thinking the same. Because why I am telling you, this radius between the 2 bars, it can accommodate Kavinraj and Saran. If you could see, you and Samyukta were not able to do that.
Yes, sir.
While Nitin and Pravan fit it, right? Other ergonomics எல்லாம் நீங்க யோசிக்கணும்னு தான் நான் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். Okay.
Yes, sir. So it was his idea, sir. But what we all had, both Samyukta and I had a thought, sir, because the cutting board that we were about to use was little sturdy compared to the writing pad.
Correct.
So we were a little worried about how they would be able to hold the pad, sir. So I would like to.
Once again. Yeah, Sanjay, you can leave. 6 அடிக்காதீங்க, வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, வருவான். So
I'd like to appreciate their confidence and belief in the younger parts of their.
fantastic. And you and Samyukta did it with a great advantage. Your friendship was glowing. I really appreciate that. Well done. Nitin, I'm having a question to Hariharan. So, but Nitin, Sai Sanjay, Sai Saran. First, Nitin and Hariharan, I'll come back. What did you learn today?
Sir, I learned focus to the bucket.
Focus to the bucket.
Focus.
Sir, he telling
Concentration. Thambi vittu kuduthuka maatengna paathiya.
Thambi.
Good job, da. You did really well today.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic.
Thank you, sir.
Managing director கிட்ட இருந்து பெண்ணை வாங்கினா திருப்பி கொடுக்க வேண்டாம். Principal, green color pen. Sir, okay, right. Bye. Tomorrow evening, huh?
Yes, sir.
Right, bye.
Bye na.
நாளைக்கு ஈவினிங் வச்சுக்கலாம்ல கிளாஸ்?
Yes, sir.
All right, okay. All right. Yeah. Focus you mentioned. Come on.
Yes, sir. Next, sir, I learned this ball throwing, sir. You're throwing, sir.
Saran, you're learning out of this? சும்மா சொல்லு, இங்கிலீஷ் எவ்வளோ தப்பாக இருந்தாலும் சொல்லு, பரவாயில்ல. ஸ்கூல் கிளாஸ் ரூம்லாம் இந்த சான்ஸ் கிடைக்காது, இங்கே தான் கிடைக்கும், அதனால் பேசு. கமா. பெண்டிங் த பாடி, ஓகே ஃபைன், தட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் ஃபேக்டர். அதில் என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்ட நீ? லைக் வாழ்க்கையில் ஃப்ளெக்சிபிலிட்டி கற்றுக்கிட்டேன், எதாக இருந்தாலும் நம்ம வளைஞ்சு கொடுத்து போகணுன்னு கற்றுக்கிட்டேன், அந்த மாதிரி ஏதாவது பிரின்சிபல்ஸ்? விட்டு கொடுத்து போகணும்னு கற்றுக்கிட்டேன். ஓகே, சரி, பரவாயில்ல. குட், நைஸ் ஆன்சர். Hariharan, I appreciate you for believing in your junior section, and you were glowing with a lot of confidence because of Vishwa, Rahul and Sanjay Rayan.